I am going to ramble through a quick video. And first of all, we're going to start with the ace. And I do it this way because I never have to pick anything up. We can see how it's drawn, what numbers actually partake in it. You can see the 4, which is the 1, 7 that come into this design. Okay, but what the thing is, in order to connect this to create the 5-star over here, right? You see the angle, because it's wider over here than it is over here, unless I pulled it out just over here. Okay, we have the next, okay, the next one that comes out over here. And then to reach this one over here, right, for the next 5-star, okay, we have this one that pulls over here. And eventually we go all the way around the obligation by creating that. So now we're going to go to the queen and the king, the 12th and the 13th card, 3 and 4. Just 1 second. 3 and 4. 3 is the polarity of 4, encompassed by 2 and 5 and 1 and 6. So that's a polarity. The 17th letter and the 11th letter are now polarity. There are 5 in between, 12 through 16. We stand on 17. Creation is this numeric value over here, okay? Which tells me that the ace, because it's after the king when you play poker and some other games, right? Even in Casino War, what happens, it becomes first and it becomes last. Last is number 14, 41, doesn't matter, whichever one you want to use. The total is 15, and that's your Mars quarters. Mars quarters are 15, Earth quarters are 100 are 25s, right? The difference in that. So you play 12 minutes in a basketball game, that means it's 1 1/3, so you're on the 1/3 scale, everything by 3. You want to go to 10, we take 10. And we put number 1 in the center, so number 1 will divide 1 and all over here. So what happens to the king and the ace after the queen? So is it the queen that is over here? And what happens to the king? Okay, I don't really know, right? I'm just trying to create the ace king inside of each other, right? Here you can have the king. Here you can have the king, the K that way. And then you can have the A that way, and you match it with that. And that's how you have the polarity of this next card. Actually, there's an area space. Hold on a second. You have that. You have the ace that stands up, and your polarity is the hue. That's not supposed to be that way. Sorry, I did it wrong again. You have the, let me get more table here. So the polarity comes right over here, right? At the same time, we're going to connect, okay, just one side. We're just going to connect one side. Maybe I should have started the Q over here. I don't know. We're connecting just one side. The V is also known for the jack, okay? So it's actually looking like this that comes together. But anyways, I just wanted to show you what happens with this, right? Let's do it again. And the king. Oh yeah, the king here. King ace, that's what it does. 1 angle, 2 angle, the delta angles, right? Anyways,